Welcome back to this video. If you use TikTok on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply secure your TikTok account and log out from all other devices on your TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do to head over to your TikTok app, I'm going to click on here to open up my TikTok app. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the three slider right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on setting and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to go to security and permissions. That's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage devices. It's going to take you right here. So at this point here, if you see any unrecognized devices right here, what you need to do is to click on this trash bin icon. Remove PC login. What you need to do is to simply click on remove right here. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have fully logged out your TikTok from unrecognized devices on your TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.